Ever dreamed of launching your business in the massive UK markets, but felt completely lost about how to start? You're not alone. The dream of having a US or UK-based company can seem incredibly complex, especially when you're trying to figure it all out from another country. The legal jargon, the paperwork, the different state requirements, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. But what if I told you there's a super simple, straightforward way to make it happen, right from your computer, no matter where you live? Today, we're diving into a game-changing service that is helping international entrepreneurs just like you break into these powerful markets. We're talking about FilingFox. So what exactly is FilingFox? Think of it as your trusted partner for business formation. FilingFox is an online platform designed specifically to help entrepreneurs from all over the world form their companies in the United States or the United Kingdom. Their main focus is on creating limited liability companies, or LLCs, which are a fantastic business structure for many new ventures. Why an LLC? Well, it offers a great balance. It gives you the personal liability protection of a corporation, meaning your personal assets like your house or car are separate from your business debts. But it also has the simplicity and flexibility of a sole proprietorship. It's the best of both worlds, and it's a very popular choice for online businesses, startups, and freelancers. Now, let's get into the how. How exactly do you create an LLC with FilingFox? This is where the magic happens, because they've made the process incredibly easy. First, you head over to their website, FilingFox.com. The site is clean and easy to navigate, which is a huge plus. You start by choosing your package. They offer different tiers, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs and budget. Maybe you just need the basic formation. Or maybe you want a package that includes extras like a registered agent service or obtaining your employer identification number, your EIN, which is like a social security number for your business. Once you've picked your package, you'll fill out a simple online form. This is where you'll provide the necessary details about your new company. Things like your desired company name, your personal information, and the names of the business owners or members, as they're called in an LLC. Don't worry, the form is designed to be user-friendly. It guides you through each step, asking clear questions without all the confusing legal language. You're not filling out complicated government forms yourself. You're just giving FilingFox the information they need to do it for you. It probably takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. That's it. After you submit your information and make the payment, the FilingFox team takes over. They review everything to make sure it's correct and complete. Then, they prepare and file all the necessary documents with the correct state authorities in the US or with Companies House in the UK. They handle all the direct communication with the government agencies. This is a huge relief because it means you don't have to worry about navigating different government websites, figuring out filing fees, or wondering if you missed a crucial step. FilingFox manages the entire backend process for you. Once your LLC is officially registered and approved by the state, FilingFox will notify you and send you all your official company documents electronically. You'll receive things like your articles of organization, which is the official document that creates your LLC. This digital delivery is super convenient for international clients. You'll have all your important paperwork organized and accessible in your online dashboard, ready to download whenever you need it. So in just a few simple steps, choose a package, fill out a form, and wait for your documents, you become the proud owner of a US or UK-based LLC. Is that streamlined? Okay, so we know it's easy. But what are the real, tangible benefits of using a service like FilingFox, especially for someone living outside the US or UK? This is the most important part. First and foremost, it's about access. FilingFox opens the door to the world's largest and most stable economies. Having a US or UK company gives you instant credibility. It allows you to work with clients, partners, and suppliers in these countries much more easily. For many online businesses, having a US entity is essential for using certain payment gateways like Stripe or for selling on platforms like Amazon. FilingFox makes that possible. The second major benefit is expertise and peace of mind. Let's be honest, international business law is complicated. Each U.S. state has its own rules for forming an LLC. Wyoming is different from Delaware, which is different from Florida. FilingFox knows the ins and outs of these regulations. Their team are experts in this specific field. By using them, you're not just paying for a service. You're paying for their knowledge. You can be confident that your company is being formed correctly and legally, avoiding costly mistakes that could cause huge problems down the line. This lets you focus on what you do best: building your business. Another huge advantage is the all-in-one convenience. FilingFox isn't just about the initial paperwork. They offer a suite of services that a new international business owner needs. A key one is the registered agent service. In the US, every LLC is required to have a registered agent, which is a person or company with a physical address in the state of formation who can receive official legal and government mail on behalf of your business. If you live abroad, you can't be your own registered agent. FilingFox provides this service, giving you a legitimate US address for official correspondence and forwarding all your mail to you digitally. They also help with one of the most critical next steps: getting your EIN. An employer identification number is essential for opening a US business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. The process to get an EIN as a non-resident can be tricky and involve faxing forms to the IRS and long wait times. FilingFox handles this entire process for you, streamlining it and saving you a massive headache. They understand the specific steps required for international founders. And let's talk about banking. This is often the biggest hurdle for international entrepreneurs. How do you open a business bank account in the US when you don't live there? FilingFox provides guidance and partners with fintech platforms like Mercury, Payoneer, and Wise, which are specifically designed for international and online businesses. These platforms allow you to open a US bank account remotely, so you can start accepting payments in US dollars and managing your finances professionally. This support is invaluable and something you would struggle to figure out on your own. So when you combine all these benefits, what you get from FilingFox is a complete ecosystem for launching your international business. It's not just a filing service, it's a launchpad. They remove the barriers of geography and bureaucracy. They handle the complex legal stuff, provide the necessary US address and agent, help you get your tax ID, and guide you toward banking solutions. This comprehensive support is what makes them so powerful for entrepreneurs outside the US and UK. You're not just left on your own after your company is formed. You have a partner that helps you set up the entire operational foundation of your business. For anyone in Asia, Africa, South America, or anywhere else who has a great business idea and wants to tap into the global market, services like FilingFox are a revolution. It democratizes entrepreneurship on a global scale. It means your physical location no longer has to limit your business's potential. You can build a global brand, serve international customers, and operate within a stable, reputable legal framework, all from your home country. That is incredibly empowering. So if you've been putting off your dream of starting a US or UK company because it seemed too difficult, I highly recommend you check out FilingFox.com. Take a look at their packages, read their customer testimonials, and see how they can help you turn your vision into a reality. The path to becoming a global entrepreneur is clearer and more accessible than ever before. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful in demystifying the process of international company formation. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and resources for entrepreneurs. We'll see you in the next one.